What's up? What's up? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rico, aka Rockstar Effects, here back with another live trading session. And honestly, guys, I feel personally that this is probably going to be one of the most important trade sessions that we post up, or that we have posted up here on this channel so far. And it's not going to be a trade session where we're making a lot of money. It's not going to be a trade session where we take a few L's. This is actually going to be a learning lesson, right? And when I say a learning lesson, obviously all the trade sessions are learning lessons, but this is a one and done session. And the reason why I think this is so important is because, you know, when it comes to trading binary options, you know, I talk about all the time, like setting your goals and knowing exactly how much, whether it be a percentage, whether it be a certain amount of trades, like a certain amount of money, right? But to set a goal before you even get onto the charts, to have a goal and a game plan in place so that when you get on, you have an idea of exactly what it is that you're looking to do. And I do have my specific goal. It's based off of percentages every day. So when I get on, I know exactly what percent of my total account balance I'm going to be trading in terms of my position sizes. But this was a one and done session, and this was literally a session where I got on and I was on the charts for about 20 minutes. And in those 20 minutes, I'm sifting through the pairs. I think I actually talked about this on Instagram as well. Long story short, there were only about 3 currency pairs that were paying out above 70%. And I have a strict rule in my trading that I don't trade anything below 70%. And I wanted to do this video because I recently had someone that I work with personally, one of my students, that, you know, he hit me up and he asked me, in terms of trading at night, what's the best times to trade? Because he feels every time he gets on, there's not a lot of pairs that are paying out at a high percentage. And what I want you guys to understand is that, well, it's always going to be like that. And you have to be okay with, you know, maybe not hitting your goal every day, but also more importantly, not forcing any trades that you know you shouldn't be taking. So this was a session where you guys see I'm literally about to clear. So we cleared that trade, and it's so crazy because now it's easy for me to take one trade and kind of get off the charts, because I look at how much I make now versus, you know, how much I was making, you know, at work before. But I want to be able to relate to you guys a little bit, because I want you to understand that it wasn't always like this. I wasn't always able to, you know, to take one position and make, you know, 3, 4, 5, you know, 600, whatever, right? Not an income claim, I'm just saying. But it wasn't always like this. And in the beginning, you have to be okay with growing your account slowly. You have to be okay with taking those small wins, because I want you guys to put this into perspective, right? A lot of the times when we come into trading, we want to make so much money that we become unappreciative, right, for the money that we are able to make. We start to overtrade. We start to force trades. We start to do things that we know we probably shouldn't be doing on the charts. And all it really does is it hurts our overall growth of our account. And in a situation where you could have walked away with maybe a $50 profit or even a $100 profit for the day, you end up actually going negative because you decided to take some more trades, or to force trades that you knew that you probably shouldn't have been taking. I want to put this into perspective for you guys real quick. Let's say you're walking outside right now. You're walking outside and you just so happen to see a $50 bill sitting on the floor. Are you going to pick that $50 bill up with excitement? Or are you going to look at that $50 bill and say, you know, I can make 100 today at work. I'm just going to leave that there. You see, gratitude is a very important thing when it comes to trading, man, because it helps in your mindset. It helps with your ability to think clearer of the end result and where it is, not where you're at right now, but where you guys are going and what the goal is and what the focus should be in terms of growing your account. And as you can see on the screen, I'm still looking for trade setups. I'm still trying to see if we can get at anything, you know, before the session is over. But the truth of the matter is that I took one trade this day, just one, and I got off the charts just as excited, just as happy, just as motivated as I would have done if I would have taken 3 to 4 trades and cleared all 3 to 4. Why? Because I'm grateful for that one position that I was able to clear. So I guess the overall goal here is to really just get you guys to focus and to understand that it's okay to take one position for the day. It's okay to get on the charts and there is absolutely no setups. That means take no trades. It's okay to wait for tomorrow and, you know, try to get back on tomorrow and do it better. But what isn't going to help you is forcing trades. What isn't going to help you is over trading. And what isn't going to help you is hitting your goals, but deciding to stay on the charts and trade a little bit more because you're getting greedy and you think that you can make a little bit more. So short video, I know, but hopefully this makes sense to you guys. Hopefully it helps you in your trading journey to be just a little bit more disciplined, because I can guarantee you that on your journey to making the money that you want to make, you're going to have one and done days just like this, and you have to be just as excited for the one and done days as you are for the days where you go 3, 4, and 5 and 0 and you're just slapping the charts left and right. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up if you haven't already done so. I mean, I don't know what you're waiting for. It helps me out, it helps the channel grow, and it helps other people just like you that are looking to take their trading career a little bit more serious view videos like this to help them out in the future. As always, this is your boy Rico, aka Rockstar. I'm out. Peace.
Feel just like a rock star.
To stay in tune with everything Rockstar FX, including coaching and one-on-one mentorship, make sure you join my personal Telegram group down in the description below at Teach Me to Trade. And if you haven't already done so, add me on Instagram as well at Rockstar FX.